that. I love saving presidents. Hey everybody, this is Lisa with your kick-ass news flash of what's up at American Eagle. What's up? It is President's Day weekend here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, so come out and join us American Eagle style. Why not save some presidents on our used motorcycles? We have a ton. We have over 85 for you to choose from. Come in, test ride one, test ride them all, and maybe save yourself one of these. How's that sound? What else is going on? Oh my gosh, it is the last weekend for Rolling Daytona. That is it. Saturday is your last day to sign up and register. And you know what's really awesome is they're going to be live at 4 p.m. on Rolling USA announcing the winner. So what's really cool this year is that's the way they're doing it. So you're going to come in here, you're going to get signed up. You know, this is the last day. While you're here getting signed up, we're also going to do our tasty shots again. And don't worry, I'm going to the store and picking up more because we ran out of the honey last time. So gonna get a shot, get yourself entered, and be ready to be live at 4 p.m. on Rolling USA to find out who the winner. Jesse's gonna name it. Woohoo, I'm so excited. That's what's going on. What else is going on? We have Deep WCC. These women ride their asses off. So this weekend, they're gonna be here celebrating their 12th anniversary. If you don't know anything about these women, they've held a couple meet and greets here. We had a round table. I mean, they've ridden everywhere from every border of the United States, Alaska, all over the place. They've been in Canada. They've been outside the United States. It's funny that I think they did a map of everywhere they've gone to, and they pretty much got every state covered. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure these are some amazing women. So if you are inspired and want to know what it's like riding in every weather situation possible, come in this Saturday and you got to meet these women because they're absolutely amazing, and help them celebrate their 12th anniversary. But you know what? They're kind of party animals, so they want games. We're going to have the carts out there. They're going to be grilling, musical chairs. Who knows what else they're going to be coming up with? Name the bike. You know, who owns what bike. So there'll be a lot of fun stuff going on. So make sure you come out and help us celebrate their 12th anniversary. What else is going on is Carter Blood Drive is going to be here. There is a major blood shortage going on here in Texas, so Carter Blood Drive needs your help. So come out here. You can pre-register online if you want a specific spot, but come in here and donate, because you know what? For every pint of blood saves 3 lives. We need that, man. So come on in here, and what they're even doing now this year is giving you a free kick-ass t-shirt for donating. So what I'm going to ask you to do is you're going to come in, you're going to go to get a beer, but I'm going to tell you, please go donate first. If you go donate first, come see me and I'll give you a ticket, and you just might get an extra beer out of it. Kick-ass used motorcycles, kick-ass new motorcycles, Rolling Daytona, Register to Win, Jesse James Spirits, Blood Drive, me, and Girl Scouts will be here too, selling some Girl Scout cookies. And let's not forget, oh my gosh, we got live music too. There's just so much to talk about. We have Chris Walton of the Retrophonics and Rod Nelson of Legacy 4. They're going to be here rocking the stage. So be ready to have your dancing shoes on, because this is definitely a weekend that you're going to need it. So again, I don't know which one of your presidents is your favorite. I know which one is mine. And don't forget, oops, you gotta cut that out. Free shot for your last day of signing up for Rolling Daytona. So, have a kick-ass rest of your day. We will see you all Saturday. The party starts at noon. Cheers.